Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a spinner for our probability experiment number 3. So you're going to need a small bowl or like a large mug. You'll need some thin cardboard. I've used a pasta box here, some scissors, and 3 colors of markers. I don't know where my green went. So step 1 is to trace your circle here. So I'm going to hold this down and go around like this. Okay. So we need to find the approximate center of our circle, and we're going to divide it into 5. So, which means you can't go half. So I'm going to draw from a straight line from, actually I should probably use a ruler. Nice straight. Got a Pokemon card here. So I've got my straight edge. I'm going to go like that. And then drawing in 5s isn't actually easy. Over here, instead of going straight through the other side, I'm going to kind of turn it here. And finish my 5th out this way. And try to make these other ones kind of even. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Okay, and then I'm just going to put it in fast forward for you while I color them in and cut it out. Okay, so I have my finished spinner, and now you need a paper clip and a pen or a pencil. You're going to put the paper clip right in the middle and the pen to hold it down, and then we just give it a good flick. And I can record blue for my first result. And that's how you make and use a spinner in virtual learning.